Hello everyone, my name is Al-Zahra and today I'm giving you the secret recipe for beauty. It's very simple steps and I wish this video will be helpful for you girls. The first step is moisturizing your hair by renewing your intention every morning and saying, Ya Rab, I'm doing this for you to take ajr and hasanat. Very simple, very Second step is actually we do it every day 5 times per day. So it is having wudu. Having wudu will brightness your face, make you calm when you're angry. Easy. Third step actually will help you from doing bad things and taking sayyat, which is decorating your lips with the name of Allah, saying Subhanallah, Astaghfirullah, Allahu Akbar, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad, La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lah. All these phrases and many more are very helpful, which will give you hasanat and remove sayyat from you and keep you from doing namima and ghaibat. Fourth step is actually very important in our society, which is lowering your gaze. Do not look at the other gender so bravely and like talk and you're looking at the eyes directly. It's okay to talk in a brave way, but do not look into his eyes for a long time directly and talking with that, there's a tone like this, so don't do this. The fifth step actually, it's also easy and very helpful, and I really wish you guys do this. Instead of putting the AirPods, listening to music, change the playlist and play Quran. This Quran gives you lessons, gives you ways how to deal with the circumstances and the obstacles in front of you, and make your life more easier. And when you're having exams, you won't think about the lyrics for the song. Instead, you remember the name of Allah, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I can do that. The sixth step also, it's important, and it is to attach your heart with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So remember that everything I'm doing is a test in the dunya, and the akhirah is the most important thing that I have to work for. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us for a reason, and all what we have to do is to a'bud Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pray and do all what he asked from us to do. The seventh step, it's actually more related to your clothes and what you wear. So it's my advice to wear the crown of modesty in your hijab. So hijab is a very important thing and is a very nice thing, and actually it's more comfortable for girls. So I'm advising everyone to really wear the hijab with new vibes instead of just wearing it because, oh yes, I need to wear it, and you're like not feeling good, feeling hot and so on. Just try to change the way you think about it. The eighth step is also needed and very helpful, and actually it's a way to get nearer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it is making dua, which will soften your hands. And these were the 8 steps for today, and I wish this recipe was useful, and that's it. See you.